farm animals, turkeys. Here's our contents page. Turkeys on a farm, page 4. Parts of a turkey, page 6. What turkeys eat, page 12. Turkeys in the farmyard, page 16. The glossary is page 22. To learn more is 23, and an index is page 24. Turkeys are birds. Some turkeys live in the wild, some live on farms. Turkeys have wings. Most farm turkeys cannot fly. Their bodies are too heavy to fly. Turkeys have feathers. A male turkey can puff up its feathers and fan its tail. Turkeys have a flap of skin called a wattle on their neck. Turkeys have a hard, sharp beak, and it helps them pick up small foods such as grains. Turkeys also graze on fresh plants. Turkeys are social. They stay together in the farmyard. They crowd around the farmer who brings food. This farmer takes care of a lot of turkeys. Here's some glossary words. Crowd, to gather closely around someone or something. Fan, to spread out. Grains, the seeds of plants such as wheat, corn, and oats. Graze is to eat living plants. Social means living and staying together with others in a group. Wattle is a piece of loose skin that hangs from the throat of a turkey. And wild means living in nature. You can learn more at different places if you were to check out this book at the library. Hope you enjoyed learning some more about turkeys.